Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a critical issue facing businesses in West Houston. It's about a major vulnerability in SAP NetWeaver, one of the most widely used enterprise platforms out there. If you're a business owner, you definitely want to hear this. So, what's going on? CVE 2025-31324 is a remote code execution vulnerability that's being actively exploited by China-linked advanced persistent threat groups. Over 581 systems have already been compromised globally. Scary stuff, right? These attackers are installing backdoors, running commands, and gaining persistent control over critical infrastructure. They're targeting sectors like energy, healthcare, and government agencies. And yes, West Houston's oil, gas, and logistics industries are in their crosshairs. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. The threat actors behind this campaign include UNC 5221, UNC 5174, and CL Stay 0048. These groups are using tools like Loader and Goreverse to launch additional payloads and monitor network activity. Once they're in, they move laterally within the network, making them hard to root out. But don't panic just yet, there's a solution. Impress IT Solutions is here to help businesses in West Houston stay secure. They specialize in vulnerability scanning, patch management, threat detection, and incident response. Their proactive approach means they catch threats before they become disasters. Here's what you need to do. Schedule a vulnerability scan or enterprise security assessment with Impress IT Solutions. They'll help you patch critical vulnerabilities like CVE 2025-31324 and secure your enterprise platforms. Remember, cybercrime isn't just a digital problem, it's a business continuity problem. Stay ahead of the threats targeting your software and keep your operations running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates. And if you're in West Houston, reach out to Impress IT Solutions today. Stay safe, everyone.